Hello from Oldham Volkswagen, my name is Dylan and today I'm going to be showing you around this brand new Volkswagen vehicle.
The brand new Volkswagen Taigo R-Line 1.5 litre TSI 150 PS comes available at Oldham Volkswagen in a Reef Blue Metallic and a Black finish. It comes with upgraded options like the Black Design Pack, which does incorporate these upgraded 18-inch Misano alloy wheels, which complement the exterior finish well, offering a sporty look, especially as they have that black look. It contrasts well with the housing of the wing mirrors. And speaking of wing mirrors, they also have power folding wing mirrors option to them, which is a great addition, great for places like shopping centres. A fairly spacious boot capacity, big enough to fit shopping inside, with additional storage space and height underneath there for a spare wheel as well. ISO fixed points in the back for rear child seats, and USB-C inputs in the back there for fast charging. The multifunction steering wheel gives access to the digital cockpit, we'll touch on this soon. In panoramic, you can see we have the R-Line embroidery on the grey and titanium black interior upholstery, a upgraded panoramic sunroof, which does offer a diverse and dynamic driving experience, offering access to fresh air and light alongside a skyline view, perfect for summer occasions. The multifunction steering wheel is very easy to use and also incorporates DSG shift paddles for manual gear changing. On the dashboard display, it shows key information like your driving data and your navigation. And to the left hand side, we also have features like the adaptive cruise control to keep you at a safe and consistent speed whilst travelling on the motorway, ensuring confidence, safety and a layer of comfort. Over to the infotainment screen, there's a wide array of different options to choose from, and going into our drive mode selection with the 4 different drive modes to offer a much more tailored experience. For example, Eco is a bit more fuel efficient, while Sport offers a more performance-based experience, and Individual allows you to tweak a wide array of different settings, enabling us to get to that perfect driving position. Making our way into App Connect, we gain access to the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, a great addition to the vehicle as you can safely display your phone directly through the car to access driver-safe applications including Spotify, Apple Music and even Google Maps or Waze navigation if you do prefer that over the native nav system. Going into our park distance control with our parking sensors, ensuring confidence and safety in every manoeuvre, ensuring that we minimise the risk of damaging the car in any way. This is great for places like shopping centres, where traditionally it is a little bit tight. And the car also includes the park assist functionality as well, which is great for bay parking.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 3 years warranty and 1 year's roadside assistance and much more. So to learn more about the vehicle or to get yourself in for a test drive, please get in touch on 0161 825 8520. We're more than happy to provide more information, or you can inquire online today.